Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. My card today features easy artist marker coloring and heat embossing. I will be using the Sweetest piece stamp set today on my project. First I will choose the stamps that I will be using. Then I will place them in my stamp positioner to use later. Next I will take a piece of Crest solar white cardstock, and with the help of a blending brush, I will blend some Peach Perfect dye ink starting from the left edge of the panel. The inking is going to be more concentrated on the left edge and on the bottom edge. I will fast forward this. This is very easy. You have watched me do this several times. Once I'm happy with the inking, I will place this back in the stamp platform and stamp the images in Peach Perfect dye ink. You can also use alcohol marker friendly ink if you want to, but because I'm not going to do a lot of detailed coloring and I'm also not going to be using a lot of colors on my images, so I am using the same color ink. But this is a mistake on my part. You will see it in a minute why. I will add Peach Perfect artist marker pigment, and to add variation I will add color from the cotton candy artist marker as well. It is when I was progressing, I noticed that my outline was disappearing since I was using the same color, the same shade of ink and the same color of artist marker, that is Peach Perfect. So since I already had the images in the stamp platform, I stamped the images again, and this time I used the Sunkissed Dye Ink. Now I started to add cotton candy to show depth and blended it out with Peach Perfect artist marker. To show some highlight, you can use the colorless blender and go over some parts of the petals to show them as raised or where the light is falling. For the greens, I'll use the forest glades and frayed leaf artist markers. Once I'm done with the coloring, I'll use my anti-static pouch and go over the entire panel. Now I'll stamp the image again, and this time I'll stamp it in embossing ink. I'll pour over golden peach embossing powder and heat set it. Look how pretty it looks. I did go out of the line in some places, but it's not that noticeable. I think I need to add one more flower on the right. I heat embossed my sentiment and stamped another flower on the right. Now I will add a few fine black splatters, and I am so scared of adding these right now because the card looks so pretty and I'm so afraid that I'll mess it up. I'll now just pop up the sentiment and my card is ready. I think that extra flower balanced the design. I love the look of this card, and it wasn't that difficult, right? Easy artist marker coloring, check. Fancy shimmery card, check. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.